Hi guys, good afternoon. So I managed to sum up the strength to go out for grocery shopping. I have absolutely nothing at home. Food, laundry, all those things. I have nothing. Meanwhile, when I came back from my trip, I started feeling sick, weak, tired, more like signs of flu anyways. So I've just been taking medications. However, stuff needs to get done and I live alone, so I am trying to summon the strength to go out, do everything, and then I'll come back in an Uber because I know I will start feeling very weak soon. I've not had anything to eat, so yeah. The stores closed earlier today because today is a Sunday and it was past 2 o'clock. And I'm trying to go to 4 stores. I'll see what I can do. I really hope that I can make it. So I'm going to Boots, I'm going to the mini African store that we have, I'm going to Sainsbury and Lidl. Yeah, and I'm just waiting for my boss. It is that time of the year now where sun sets at 5-ish. Anyways, it's about 5:30 and I am on my way back home. I'm just going to get home, do a bit of cooking. So I stopped at Sainsbury to get something that I can cook tonight and tomorrow morning, and then I will go back to Lidl tomorrow. Good morning. It's Monday and I am about stepping out to Lidl to complete my grocery shopping. Remember, we couldn't do that yesterday, so I just want to go do that today, and I feel like I need to do a bit of deep cleaning. So I'm noticing some molds on the linings of my window, so I feel like I want to do a bit of deep cleaning today in my room. I genuinely hope that I have strength for it. By the way, I'm feeling way better than yesterday. I took the medications yesterday before I slept, and waking up this morning I feel way better, like really better. Anyways, let's go do that. Also, my landlord is going to be coming to have a look at my sink, just because I closed it up when I was washing my bathroom before I traveled and it didn't come back up. I don't know why. So I've just asked him to come have a look, just so that when I am, cleaning today, I can wash my sink and have it looking sparkling and clean. Okay, right, so let's do some grocery shopping because we also have to do laundry. Like, there's a whole bunch of things that I have to complete today, so help me God, I have the strength to, you know, do all of that. Anyways, let's go. Is everything that I bought. Can you guess how much I spent? In the comments, let me just know how much you think all of these things are. But I do not do bulk shoppings like this every single time. The only reason why I had to do all of this now is because I knew I was traveling, I did not restock on a lot of things. So basically I ran out of a lot of things, right? So now that I am back, we have to get them, okay? And right, so this is for, like, you know, basic amenities and all of that. I still need to go to the African store to get gari, beans, ilubo and poundo. Yeah, those are the 4 main things that I want to get. Oh yeah, and then proteins. I don't know, I need to get fish. The beef that I have in the freezer, I'm going to use it to make lunch for the week because I'm back to work in 2 days. Right, so we need to also go to the African store, but that would not be now, that would not be today, would not be tomorrow, probably Saturday. Yeah, probably Saturday we are going to do all of that. So let us arrange all of these things and make something to eat because I am starving. The thought of you keep running through my mind. I had to pull the plug this time. It was all good till the love gave in, girl. Yeah. I'll never fall for your type again, girl. No, no. Hey, thinking it was my fault. I was trying to give you all you need. Didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all that time. Can't believe it was all just a game. You really took my heart for a drive. I remember when you were all in for us. I recall when you said you never loved someone.
like this, telling me lies. You had someone else, now you running back. It was all good till the love gave in, girl. Yeah, I'll never fall for your type again.
I am done cleaning. So my landlord advised to get this, but I already did anyways because I figured that the room needed an humidifier and the one in the bathroom wasn't doing enough. So I got this dehumidifier. I think I saw this on TikTok, but I got this particular one at Poundland. So I'm going to have to go back to Poundland to get more, or maybe I'll order it from TikTok shop, I don't know. And I'm just going to put them in strategic places in my room. Say 2 on the window, 1 in the bathroom, and 1 in my wardrobe, because I noticed before I left some molds on one of my jackets, and that's not good. Right, so I'm going to have to get maybe 4 or 5 more of this. Yeah, so I'm just going to place this on my window for now because that's where all of the condensation, that's where I've noticed it, and the molds that are built up rather, that's where I noticed it. I have cleaned the windows, done everything, so I'm just going to put this until when I have time to go back to Poundland and get more of this. Yeah, so next up we are going to make food. Yeah, we're going to make food, so yeah, let's go do that.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see.
So I am literally almost done with everything. I have done laundry. I have the last batch in the dryer. Ironed my uniform. I've made lunch for the week. I've made my breakfast for the week as well. And when I mean for the week, I just make it for days that I have to go to work. If I'm at home, I can sort myself out. And I've also made breakfast. I made some egg and lettuce, some egg and lettuce sandwich. Right. Done all of that. So next up is I'm gonna have my bath, and then I'm going to do some editing and content planning because I'm back and we need to start getting back to the usual posting schedule. I'm also having some thoughts about some types of content that I want to put out. Right, I'm just looking for ways to make sure that I'm back on the grind and everything with regards to my content, and also simultaneously preparing for next year's content and content goals. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm back to work tomorrow and we're ready. We are ready. Alright guys, I'm gonna speak to you later, which is when I don't know. Until then, take care.